Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain you about the difference between public sector bank and the private sector bank. So here, the public sector bank is also known as nationalized bank, and the government of India hold the majority of stake at this bank. Post merger, the SBI is the largest public sector bank by volume in India, and it also record among the top 50 bank in the world. If I take the example of public sector bank, so SBI, Bank of Baroda, and Punjab National Bank, etc., are the example of public sector bank. On other hand, private sector bank. So the private shareholders hold the majority stake in private sector bank, and all the rules and regulations are laid down by the Reserve Bank of India for it. If I take the example of private sector bank in India, so HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and Axis Bank, etc., are the examples of private sector bank. So the first difference between the public sector bank and the private sector bank is the status of control. So the public sector banks are governed by the Indian government. So we can say it is controlled by the Indian government. And private sector banks are under the private individuals' control. Next difference is interest rate. So in public sector bank, the interest rate for the loan is higher and the interest rate for saving is lower. On other hand, in private sector bank, they have the lower interest rate for loan and higher interest rate for savings. Next is shareholders. In public sector bank, the maximum of its share contained by the government of India. And in private sector bank, the maximum of its share held by the private shareholders. Next difference is customer base. In public sector bank, the customer base is large. In in private sector bank, the customer base is relatively small. Next is growth rate. In public sector bank, the growth rate is low, but in private sector bank, the growth rate is comparatively high. Job security. In public sector bank, the job security is always present, but in private sector bank, the job security is purely based on the performance of employees. And the last difference is promotion. In public sector bank, the promotion is based on seniority, but in the private sector bank, the promotion is always based on the merit. So this is all about the difference between public sector bank and the private sector bank. Hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yes, always learn with me.